Hello guys, Train Clips HD here. Welcome to the latest video, and today I'm at Bruton on the Great Western Mainline, also part of the Heart of Wessex line. Here's 158763, which with the 1226 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester from Weymouth. So the bought us in from Castle Carry. Yeah, so our vantage point will be on that platform, not this platform. There it goes. Yeah, so joining me here today is Great Western Trains and SST fan 909, who's poking his tongue out as usual. So yes. In this video we'll be seeing services by Great Western Railway only. So yeah, let's get started here at Bruton. Okay, and for our first train to pass through we have the 12:35 pass from London Paddington to Plymouth, which I'm just going to stand back. Great tone. I don't catch the front, sadly. Yeah, sadly I didn't catch the front, but the rear of that was 43071. We're still waiting for
097 on the front, I think.
097?
I think so.
No, we've seen 097 earlier. Okay, we're going to wait for our next train, which is Penzance London Paddington. That will go to Plymouth. 1 Charlie 79. The 1106 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth from London Paddington. So we'll see what comes through next. Okay, coming through a wet Bruton now is the 1236 pass.
1236 pass.
No, 1230. No, yeah, 1236 from Penzance London Paddington. Oh my god, it is getting very wet. Excuse my finger. Look at the view from down there. It's not a great view because it's raining, but hopefully if it dries up a bit when the service is passing, you'll be able to see. But that's the view down there. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, coming through now is an empty coach and stop movement from Exeter St David's to Old Oak Common via London Paddington. Great 210. 43183. 43097. And that's up to Old Oak Common via London Paddington. It's going to stop at Reading for about half an hour. I don't know why, but it just is. So I'm hoping this weather does calm down, because then I can show you the view from up there. So let's see what comes through next. Okay, coming out is the 1258 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Gloucester. Yeah, it's literally came out of the blue. We didn't notice that was that quiet. Okay, we'll see when it goes out in a second. Okay, departing now is the 1258 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Gloucester. Great two-tone from the driver. 150, 130. No, sometimes they put that at so people know where it's actually from if they're waiting for people off the train, so they know where it's from, so they get the right train.
I'd hate to see paratroopers there, but they'd film that because I was eating the grub.
Your grub? Yeah. Sounds like a Londoner. Oh, anyway, let's see what's next. Next stop that will be Castle Carry, where we were earlier. Okay, well I've got the opportunity and it has cleared up a bit, the sun's out. clouds gone, sort of. That is the view towards London, Paddington and Westbury and Bristol Temple Meads. That is the view. It's an absolute fantastic view. There you go, look at that. So there you go, that's the view from that end of the platform. This end of the platform, on the other hand, try to play around with the zoom. Yeah, that's the view from the other side of the platform. Anyway, as Sean interrupted on my last clip, let's see what's next here at Bruton. Okay, about to pass through now. It's a 13:26. 13:26 pass from London Paddington to Penzance. Great two-tone. Oh, it's our train coming back. 43189 and 43132. That formed our 0747 this morning from Plymouth to Castlecary, which is coming back round. Oh. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, passing through now is the 13:56 from Penzance to London Paddington, building Great West. (43.134) and (43.134). 144.134. Now I've got a bit of a clearer view. Here it goes. Sorry about shaking camera, it's awkward when you zoomed in. No, it was Jake said it was 14:48. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, about to pass through now is the 14:12 from London Paddington to Taunton. (43.037) and (43.020), which is forming the 14:12 pass from London Paddington to Taunton, which we'll see come back later on an empty coaching slot like the exited pad. So we'll see that come back through later. Yeah, so we've got a little bit of a gap now. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, coming in now is the 14:26 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth. No, to Gloucester from Weymouth. 1:59.38. And here comes the HST. Stand back, the HST's coming. Yeah, 1:59.38. Also passing through, it's 14:25. Pass to Penzance from London Paddington. Great two-tone. 43149. 43003 with the Eisenberg Kingdom Brunel nameplate and the University of Plymouth 149. And there's 938. We'll be departing now. Great little two-tone.
Got a good shot those two next to each other.
Oh, did you now?
How's that?
Oh, nice. That is quite nice. Yeah, so I'll just stay on camera, see it going out. A bit of an excuse for a longer clip, you know. Also, guys, I do hope you like my little intro that I've made up now. I'll try and get a link for the website for you. If you don't know the website, I'll try and get a link for it for you and put it in the description of this video. If not, you'll feel free to comment on the video or private message me if you do have me on Facebook. Just feel free to private message me if you want me to get the link for you. Sorry about shaky cam work there. There you go, we're going to see it go around the bend. There's the red signal. It's still up there. And it's still there. It goes around the bend. Next stop that will be Westbury, I think. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, passing through now. Looks like we've got a green power car. From Penzance to London Paddington. Yes! No, actually, I like 43187, 43016. That's off. Hang on, let's see what path that is. So we have. Oh, that's the 1448 pass from Penzance to London Paddington.
I've seen one in 7 in ages.
Seen it last week or a couple of weeks ago in Penzance. Okay, let's see what's next. 43028, which is 1526.
Hey, as you see it hit a pheasant.
The 15.
Oh God, look, there's its feathers.
The 1526 Great Western
Hey
Railway
guys,
service to
look at
Penzance
this
from London
photo.
Paddington. So let's see what's next. Okay, about to pass through now is, hang on, bear with me, the 1541 pass from Taunton to London Paddington, to Taunton to Old Oak Common via London Paddington to empty coach stock. And 43037 with MTU nameplate and Penny Darren nameplate. And then that goes. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, passing through now is a 1554 pass from Plymouth to London Paddington. And here it comes. .10 and 43136. That goes all the way up there. So as she passes through, I shall be ending my Bruton video here. So thank you for watching my Bruton video. If you've liked what you've seen here at Bruton, then please do like and subscribe. Any questions are always warmly welcome. Joining me here is SFC Fan 1909 and Great Western Trains. My next station will be Swansea next weekend. It will be Swansea this weekend, I 110% promise.
Yeah, boy.
But as this is Rover Series catch-up and I put it in the playlist as a Rover Series, Ranger Series. Hello. My next Ranger Series will be Westbury. So that's realistically, that's it in Ranger Series. But realistically, it will be Swansea. So I'll see my train come in. And then I will say goodbye. So, take care guys and goodbye. Okay, coming in now is the 1558 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Worcester Foregate Street. This is our train that will take us to Castle Carey. So like I did say that I was going to film the train coming out. I always do this Really, it's just, yeah.
Cock.
And Sean loves that.
No, yeah, I do actually. But my batteries just died.
How unlucky is that?
You don't have 4 AA batteries, do you?
I might have.
Ooh. Maybe I could borrow them.
Maybe not, but
Cock.
yeah. Oh, cock. Here it is, 158,955. Sean.
It died again. It managed to die twice.
So from the driver. So I'll see you guys in Swansea. Take care, guys, and goodbye.